Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 useful rain idioms with meanings and examples. Number 1. It's raining buckets. It means it is raining very heavily. Example, I forgot my umbrella and it started raining buckets on the way home. Number 2. Be caught in the rain. It means to be outdoors without shelter when it suddenly starts to rain. Example, we were caught in the rain and had to run to the cafe. Number 3. Rain down on someone. It means to fall or arrive suddenly in large amounts. Example, congratulations messages rained down on her after she won the competition. Number 4. Rain money. It means to earn money quickly or in large amounts purely figuratively. Example, the new app is really popular. It's raining money for the developers. Number 5. Rain on the chances of something. It means to reduce the possibility of something happening. Example, the bad weather rained on the chances of holding the match outdoors. Number 6. Get soaked to the skin. It means to become completely wet from rain. Example, I walked home without an umbrella and got soaked to the skin. Number 7. Have a downpour of something. It means to receive a lot of something at once. Example, after the announcement went viral, we had a downpour of emails from reporters. Number 8. Pour it down. It means to rain very heavily. Example, the sky turned dark and it started to pour it down. Number 9. Rain something in. It means to throw or hand out something in large quantities. Example, the politicians' team rained pamphlets in every mailbox on the street. Number 10. When it rains, it pours. Meaning, when one bad or sometimes good thing happens, many more similar things tend to happen at the same time. Example, my phone broke, then I missed the train. When it rains, it pours. Okay, learners, we've walked through 10 rain idioms today. Now it's your turn. Check out the quiz below and let me know your answers in the comments. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.